Hi, my name is Connor Terrio, and I'm a BIM technical specialist here at Red Cage Solutions. I'm here with a short Revit tip for you. In this video, I'm going to outline how to use the filter tool. Very commonly used. In this model, I'd like to select all windows. To do so, I'm going to select everything in the job. Come up here to my filter button. Check none. Scroll down until I find Windows. Apply. OK. Now, as you can see, I've selected all the windows in the job. Let's try this again. Let's orient this view to a floor plane. I want to select all the doors on my fifth floor. I'm going to select everything in my view. Come up to the filter button, check none, and select doors. Now, as you can see, all the doors on the 5th floor have been selected.